Hi to everyone. Before going into the nouns clearly, let me have a look into the noun. What is a noun? Which is naming word denoting the name of a person, place, thing, animal, concept, etc. And it is divided into 5 main kinds: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. You know that nouns are further divided into countable and uncountable nouns. Here I want to give a clear clarity between countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Nouns are either countable like a job, 2 jobs, and uncountable example work, furniture, money, like that. Do you know that the grammar for countable nouns is totally different from the grammar for uncountable nouns? Okay, now let's go deep into it. Countable nouns. Yes, we use a or an in the singular noun in the sense a job or an employee, and it can be made plural, means jobs, employees. Some and any are used in the plural only, in the sense some customers, any emails, like that. Use few and many in the plural. Few clients, many complaints, like that. And here we have to use a lot of before plural noun, in the sense Charles did a lot of jobs while he was at university. And also before saying a number, also we have to have plural noun. We have had a number of complaints. Okay, so now get the information regarding uncountable nouns. We shouldn't use a or an before uncountable. And it cannot be made plural also. See here, work, furniture. We shouldn't say works, furnitures. Remember. Use verbs in the singular, in the sense the money is in the bank. Use some and any only in the singular, means some information. Any money? And let us know about how we have to use little and much before uncountable nouns. Little information, much work. And use other words to refer to a quantity, a piece of advice, an amount of money. Okay, and here also we can use a lot of plus singular noun. I have got a lot of work on at the moment. The same we used a lot of also before countable noun, that too plural noun. You remember the last example. Okay, Charles did a lot of jobs, I said here. But here I said that I have got a lot of work on at the moment. Okay. Use an amount of. In what way we can use? See here. It's difficult to deal with such a large amount of information. Okay. And how you have to use advice. she gave me some valuable advice. Or we can say, she gave me a piece of valuable advice. Okay. And also, if you want to get a clarity between countables and uncountables, it is better to differentiate and you have an idea. Why? Because gold, iron, milk, advice, news, baggage, information, traffic, scenery, all these are there. Whether we have to use them in the singular form or whether we have to go for the plural. A lot of nouns are there, like scissors, spectacles, earrings. We always use them only in plural. Okay? So, in the other class, I would like to give detailed explanation about uncountable nouns. Thank you for hearing.